now.
From Harbor Beach to Port Huron, Michigan, until 4:30 p.m. To 27 p.m. Severe thunderstorms.
Oh, water spout.
Along the line extending from
Water spout?
Cable producing a water spout.
What's a water spout?
A water tornado. It's a water tornado, Jesse.
Oh. 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Overturn boats and create local
Stop it.
Around 3 p.m. Port San Luis around 3:15 p.m. Lakeport around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by severe thunderstorms include Rickmanville. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Right when we were filming this.
Okay, let's get back to the video now. Without any interruptions, please. Without any interruptions, please, from you. Thank you. Now let's get back to filming. Sir, thunderstorm warning. Sir, thunderstorm warning.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southern Livingston County
Oh.
in southeastern
I jinxed myself. This was the line that was like literally forming into a storm. I jinxed myself.
You did jinx yourself.
20 miles per hour.
Holy crap.
60 miles per hour with
Hello.
size hail.
I am on a stream. One of my friends are over right now. As you can see. Well, I mean the camera can see him, but you know. I'm just people on the
Pinking around 2:55 p.m.
Hi there.
Detroit getting a lot of action right now.
Yep.
Brighton around
Hi there.
3:45 p.m. Whitmore Lake around 3:35 p.m.
I am one of the YouTubers that be with him.
Yes.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm
yeah.
include Island Lake State Recreation Area, Chilson,
We were just making a YouTube video.
And then all of a sudden, yeah, this happens.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
So,
until
yeah.
3:45 p.m. for the following county: Livingston, Michigan.
Nice.
Game over.
Yeah, I have a game over light over there.
Game over for the Earth.
Oh god.
What's the radar? What's this guy warn?
It's a severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County. Severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County. Severe thunderstorm. Yeah. Okay. Did not.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
That's the storm right there.
Severe thunderstorm will be near.
There's actually another. There's actually. Yeah, there's actually another line forming in Washtenaw, and that might head towards me.
Troy and Rochester around 4 p.m.
I'm not sure you can see it because the camera is kind of blurry, but you could kind of see it. There's like a line getting stronger.
Bro, you never told me you had a drone.
Or drone.
Oh.
It might be a double header.
I don't know because they did not issue a warning yet.
Well, I got something else to show Cody.
Well, I mean, he'll definitely go. All right, now back to what we were doing with Storm Tracker and the puppets.
Hey, Cody.
But let me hold on. Let me turn this off real
I
quick.
got something for you.
Let's show him this.
He's not hot.
Yeah, well. What about now?
No. Your mom did a whale.
Bro,
Yeah,
that was a very good insult.
Well,
Oh shoot! Another warning. I jinxed it again. Oh come on, I'm recognized.
at least my mom didn't get fucked by a loser.
Thunderstorm warning for Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 4 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chelsea, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
I jinxed myself on that one.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter
Just keep it flat, cause it will.
Radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
my county too if it continues to be strengthening.
Severe thunderstorm will be here.
It's like,
3:05 p.m. Extra
yeah.
3:20 p.m.
It's literally,
Who's that phone?
it literally looks like it's almost for the, it looks like it's almost for the entire area.
My square phone?
Winds around 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Hudson Mills, Pittsfield Township, Linden Township, Hudson Mills Metro Park.
Oh, tornado warning for Lapeer.
Pleasant Lake, Martin Hills.
Tornado warning for Lapeer now. I can't get that though. There's a tornado warning for Lapeer County. I cannot get that though because that's not served by my station. Second tornado warning.
Use a different one.
Here is the forecast.
Well, because I cannot get another station that serves Lapeer, so
Mostly cloudy with numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms.
I'll keep.
Near steady temperature.
While the radio's on, I'll keep my recom on. All right, Hayden, you can come in. Here we
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm
No,
warning
is it gonna be live on
for
YouTube?
No, not live on YouTube.
Until 4:30 p.m.
What's gonna be live on?
27 p.m.
Nothing.
Severe
It's not gonna go
thunderstorms
up
were
on anything.
located along the line extending from near Port St. Louis to near Croswell to Melvin, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Wait!
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-slash source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.
Oh, it's tornado possible.
In trees. Severe thunderstorms will
Yeah, tornado possible for St. Clair.
5 p.m. Lakeport around 4 p.m.
What'd you say, Storm Tracker?
4:20 p.m. Maryville around 4:25 p.m.
No, it's not.
Other locations
You're high.
by these severe
So,
thunderstorms include
It is the county that is like north of me though, but I don't think it should like cause anything bad. Cause it's like it's to
has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county. St. Clair.
I think there is. Let me see. Oh, I do not know why there's not a tornado risk. Yet there's been like tornado warnings around the Michigan area.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River until 4:45 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along the line extending from Lake
Oh yep, I see it. I see it.
west of Lake Worth at 23 nautical
He's under a little
miles
message field discussion
Baltimore,
thing.
moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer
that could be good.
structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could
They should issue a warning for that, because I think that might strengthen. Yeah, it's moving closer. They should issue a warning for that, so.
St. Clair around
No.
4:45
Well, I mean, there's a storm coming towards Wayne County, but it's not like very close. It's like right here. This is the storm, and this line right here is where Wayne County
Here is the
starts.
forecast for the northern suburbs.
It's for us! It's for us! It's for us!
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County,
Nope, it should be a thunderstorm.
southeastern Washington County, and southeastern Michigan until 5:15 p.m.
Rain!
At 4:01 p.m., thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Livonia to near Canton to Willis, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Wait, is this for our city?
60 miles per hour.
Is this for our city? Wait.
Source,
Oh, it is tornado possible!
impact, hail damage.
It's tornado possible. There might be a tornado. Might or might not be.
We got hot.
Oh, yep, it's for our city, Dearborn. It's for Dearborn.
4:15 p.m.
It's for Dearborn.
Around 4:20 p.m.
Bro, you're hiding under the bed? What?
Village around 4:30
That's not what it said in the tornado preparedness
around
thing.
4:40 p.m. Wyandotte and Trenton around 4:45 p.m. Downtown Detroit and Grosse Ile around 4:50 p.m.
Did they ever tell you that in your school?
Ross Grant around 5:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by
Bro, we got a basement for a reason.
River, Gibraltar, New Boston, Rockwood.
There's like
wrestling.
There's like
There's
two.
rotation near Westwood.
Northeastern Oakland County will expect
Oh crap!
PM. The storm, which prompted
You said there's rotation?
below severe limits and no
Yeah.
longer poses
Oh, frick. Bro, look, there's two storms that are warm. That got this warm. One right there, one right there. I know one of these are gonna hit me. This one's gonna hit me. This one's.
Did Hayden leave?
Come on, bro.
He's still here. Hayden, there's not even a tornado warning yet. If a tornado warning does get issued, then that's when we have to go down.
Well then, if I don't die,
It's a severe thunderstorm warning.
well, if I die from this tornado,
But the bad news is they did say that there's rotation near Westland.
well, if I die, tornado, my love
That's
dirt.
what I said. That's what I said.
I'm going in the basement.
What is not possible? Okay.
Okay, if it's such a good
The National Weather Service indicates
That might mean that there might be one.
Michigan waters of Lake
There
Erie
might be.
until 5:15 p.m.
It might happen.
Severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line
There
extending
might
from
be.
15 nautical miles west
I'm
of the
hoping
Ambassador
that
Bridge to
might be
13 nautical miles west of Wyandotte to 15 nautical miles west of Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor,
I know we're
moving
gonna
east at
call
20
one, bro.
knots.
I know it's gonna happen.
Waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas.
Come on, seriously?
Small craft could be
It's not
damaged
a
and briefly
tornado.
higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
No?
Large hail could result in structural damage.
You do not understand.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Wyandotte around 4:45
Yes, I
p.m.
do.
The Ambassador Bridge, Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor, Elizabeth Park Marina, Gibraltar and Estrel Beach around 4:50 p.m. Detroit River Light and Grosse Ile around 4:55 p.m. Belle Isle around 5 p.m. Grosse Pointe around 5:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by severe thunderstorms include Estrel Beach and Gibraltar. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
There's no tornado warning yet. Can you close that door?
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued
I just don't want my
a
sister to get
thunderstorm
annoyed.
warning for East Central Oakland County in southeastern
Yeah, but
Michigan,
sometimes she still gets
southern
annoyed by the
Macomb County
warnings
in
for
southeastern
some reason.
Michigan until 5 p.m.
Yo,
It's 4:06 p.m.
Alright.
A severe thunderstorm was
Alright,
located
so
over Rochester.
We're worrying about that line. That line is the one that's gonna hit us. That line is not gonna hit us. That one's heading to the south. We're in the north right now. And Dearborn's right here. And right now it's in Livonia.
This severe thunderstorm will be near. Warm around 4:15 p.m.
is it a tornado?
Sterling Heights around
It's not a tornado yet. But that's what we have to keep an eye on it, just in case if it does come
Okay, I'm keeping an eye on it.
Mount Clemens around 4:35 p.m.
It moved.
St. Clair Shores around 4:40 p.m.
Okay, now the one thing that we do need to know. So remember, if a warning does get issued for South Wayne County, that's not us. North Wayne County, that's us. Yeah. So I'm just letting you know that right now. So like in case if there is a warning for South Wayne County, we do not have to take shelter. Cause you know this is the central part. South's right here.
Yo, wait, Siren Head.
Yeah, it's a siren head.
The forecast for the northern
Alright.
suburbs.
Well, let's hope that it does not.
Yeah.
Well, that does not look good. There's more. It's starting to get a little bit
More
stronger.
heat.
5 to 10
No, it's not heat. It's
No, the red is heat.
Oh. No.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair until 5:30 p.m.
Oh my gosh.
4:16 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was
Till
located
5:30, yeah.
nautical miles northwest of St. Clair Shores, moving east at 20 knots.
I'm gonna die.
Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
No, it's not a tornado.
Damage.
The
It's just a strong thunderstorm that's entering some other marine areas.
Metro Beach Metropark Marina around 4:50 p.m.
Yeah, high winds.
Mount Clemens Airport of Baltimore around 4:55 p.m.
49
St.
knots.
Clair flags Old Channel Light around 5 p.m. Algonac around 5:20 p.m. Move to Safe Harbor until hazardous weather passes.
He does like something.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. for Wayne and southeastern Washtenaw counties.
Are you back?
He's not back yet. Okay, I just pressed the 3 this morning. Monroe County, hail is observed. Observed hail. Is that the same
National
storm?
Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Or is that a new storm?
Northeastern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan.
Oh, it's the same storm that's in the south of my county.
PM, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carlton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
That same storm is now warned for
Source.
there.
No, we're all gonna die.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
We're all gonna die,
Wind
boys.
damage to roofs. Siding.
We're all gonna die.
Prepare a funeral applause for $1 billion.
4:30 p.m.
No.
Your thunderstorm include Newport, Astral Beach, Schofield, South Rockwood, Woodland Beach, Oakville.
Look, he just made a trick shot.
Detroit Beach and Rockwood. Repeating,
Yeah.
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Monroe, Michigan.
I don't know.
No, it's raining. Almost.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 St. Clair County. At 4:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles northeast of Port Huron to near Lake Port to near Emmett, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Miles per hour. I'm gonna miss you, Alexa.
You can't even see me anymore.
So, you put me on solo view, that's why. St. Clair County again. It's St. Clair County again.
The National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Clair County in southeastern Michigan until 5:45 p.m. Maximum at 4:45 along the line from near Port Huron to near St. and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Port Huron around 4:50 p.m. Emmett around 5:05 p.m. Marysville and Memphis around 5:40 p.m. Richmond around 5:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include North Street, Lynn Township, Rattle Run, Goodells, Brockway, Smiths Creek, Wadhams, Wiley Center, Fort Gratiot, and Allenton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: St. Clair, Michigan.
Over! Doubleheader! Doubleheader! There goes the 250! Get all the way, son! St. Clair River.
The National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Port St. Luc to Port Huron, Michigan, St. Clair River, until 5:45 p.m.
Port St. Luc to Port Huron.
At 4:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Port Huron to 18 nautical miles west of Lake Port to 28 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar.
I'm waiting for Environment Canada to issue SVR because the storm that was just in my area is now in Windsor. So I'm waiting for that.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Port Huron around 4:50 p.m. St. Clair around 5:45 p.m. Move to Safe Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Just when I thought we were done.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, southeastern
What's up, bro?
County
Come
in
on.
southeastern Michigan until 6:45 p.m.
That Marine one
At
is
5:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Emmett to near Armada to near Alma, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Armada and Memphis around 5:35 p.m. Richmond around 5:50 p.m. New Baltimore around 6:15 p.m. Marine City around 6:30 p.m. Parsons Island around 6:40 p.m. Algonac around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Shoreville, New Haven, Adair, Columbus, Rattle Run, Pearl Beach, Ray Center, Chesterfield Township, and Fairhaven. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Macomb and St. Clair. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southeast of Port Huron to near St. Clair to 12 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Severe thunderstorms will be near St. Clair around 5:50 p.m. New Baltimore around 6:15 p.m. St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light around 6:35 p.m. Algonac around 6:45 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Environnement Canada a émis une alerte dans votre région à 21h06, heure avancée de l'Est. Le vendredi 14 juillet 2023, une alerte orage violente est en vigueur pour une Saguenay et une comté des Six. Environment Canada has updated its warning.
Of course.
Until 10:30 p.m.
Why did that not?
9:24 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located
Go figure.
along a line extending from near Adrian to near Morenci, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Gosh, bro.
Impact, hail damage to
I was
vehicles
about
is
to unplug
expected.
these radios and
Expect wind damage to roofs,
this happened.
siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Adrian around 9:30 p.m. Tecumseh around 9:40 p.m. Blissfield, Deerfield, and Britain around 9:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, Sand Creek, Jasper, and Rome Center. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following county: Lenawee,
Wow.
Michigan.
Go figure. The storm got stronger.
Here's the forecast for the
I
northern
bet you
suburbs.
the storm now was for Jackson County when before that storm came to Lenawee County was warned. No, not even a single special weather statement on that storm in Jackson County. By that I mean Grand Rapids was Jackson County, and the storm was in Jackson County, like literally before it came into Lenawee County. and not even a single special weather statement was issued. Not even a warning. Look, do you see anything? The only previous thing issued is a hazardous weather outlook and a daily marginal convective risk, area forecast discussion. Nothing else. They didn't even bother to issue a statement because of that. What? And I gotta fix that because I bet you there's still gonna be more alerts if the storm moves. Really? 11 p.m., bro? Come on.
Storm was located over Bowles Harbor, a refuge, moving east at 20 knots. Additional strong to severe thunderstorms were also located near Adrian, also slowly moving west. Hazard. Wind gusts
That's literally
34
the same
knots or
storm that
greater
was
and small
just
hail.
born like
Radar.
a while ago.
Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Stony Point and Estrel Beach around at 9:40 p.m.
No figure, I'm still
Other
under the
locations
marginal risk,
impacted by
which
the
means
strong
that the storm is
thunderstorm
still
include
gonna
Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Estrel Beach, and Detroit Beach.
Oh
Move to Safe Harbor and remain in Safe Harbor for the rest of the evening.
wow. That's new wording. Bro, I straight up know that they're just gonna issue another warning out of nowhere. I just know they're gonna do it. Because they already issued 2 warnings, so no shot.